Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Jabra Evolve2 Buds wireless Bluetooth earbuds, either the UC or the MS series, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing with the app or pairing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You will need to set everything up again because it will all be wiped off. And that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if for whatever reason you just want to get these earbuds set up like they're a brand new set of earbuds coming out of the box, new, we can go ahead and do that. This is going to wipe all the pairing history and everything else. All we need to do is put the earbuds in the case as shown here, leaving the lid open. And we're just going to come in and press and hold the button on the back of both earbuds simultaneously for 10 seconds. Until the LEDs on the earbuds flash pink. Once we see it flash pink, then we can stop holding the buttons. Go ahead and close the case. Leave the case closed for 5 seconds to complete the reset. Then you can just open the case, take the earbuds out, and set them up like a brand new set of earbuds.